Hey guys, I want to teach you guys how to replace a door slab. Hey friends, so I got a door slab here that I'm going to be replacing today. I have I have five total slabs I'm replacing. Now, these are pretty interesting. I was going through the hardware store a couple weeks ago, and I was looking for a particular style door, and I saw a gentleman inside the store, and he was looking for a specific size door that he needed, and he was boggled because the doors he needed I think he said a 28-inch door, and he had his little tape measure and he was measuring each one, and every single one of them were straight up 28 inches. Now, what his deal was is that his actual door that he was replacing was a little less than 28 inches. It was right about 28, and I think 7/8 of an inch. And so I wanted to take time to just show you the process that I take in replacing these doors. Now they come straight up 28 inches, but you're going to have to cut the end piece off of it because it's not going to fit in your 28-inch door hole. So I'm gonna run inside and grab the new door, set it up out here, and I'm also gonna go ahead and grab all my tools and stuff, my supplies, and run some extension cords and get everything set up for me to be able to run these things through my my table saw. So let's get that going. Measuring from one end to the other end. You can see my measurement right here. So we're gonna have to shave it down about a 1/16. Now I gotta go find a pencil. Come with me to find a pencil. You know, I feel like in carpentry there's a lot that you can learn. Even when you go to shave a pencil, there are certain ways to which you should shave them. And then this is a square pencil. Why a square pencil? There's a lot of tips and tricks that I could show you in regards to this. Even the measurement of it is right about 1/2 inch. So you can actually use your pencil as a measuring tool. Plus, you can put it on there and it doesn't roll off. Let's go back to the door. Alright, I have my saw set up, ready to get cut, and you're not taking very much off, just about a little less than 1/8, a little more than a 1/16 of an inch. It's going to be taken off. So let's go ahead and get these cuts. And just remember, we're not going to do the door handle side. We're going to cut the opposite side, hinge side. Alright, so we got the old door and the new door, and I flipped them upside down so that I can butt them together and measure for the hinges right here. So I'm gonna mark the hinges where they're at. use my router to route out the new hinges. A lot of times you can find a jig at the local hardware. I own one, but it's in my garage. It's not with me. So I'm going to carefully custom route these things. So when you do it, make sure that you do the right side. You could do this side, or you could do this side. If you do the wrong side, you might be in trouble. So I got my router all set up, and this is going to be the depth of your hinge, so that your hinge will fit inside of it, you know. All right, I'm gonna do some cutting. So I'm gonna cut this, and then I'm just gonna see you on the other side of this. Let's see if it shuts. It shuts. Now to put the door handle on, and that'll be the true test. Alright, well, I'm very pleased with it. It's got a nice reveal all the way around. I think this hinge plate needs to be chiseled out a little bit more, and so it'll be, other than that, it's a nice, smooth close. So this is it. Thank you for tuning in and watching. I hope I taught you a little bit of something more than what you had previously known, and in regards to what is involved in replacing the door slab. So I'm Chris Silverman. I'll see you guys next time.